Okay, now it's your turn to have a go. Given this triangle here, the diagonal is 30 centimeters. Now, this length here is twice the length of this height here. So we'll work out the height and the length here. So remember, this length here is twice the length of this length here. So somehow work out this length and this length here in total. Okay, so press pause and have a go. Okay, well you know that this is twice the length of this. So what you can do is you can call this x, and then this would be 2x. Okay, this whole length here would be 2x. Now um, uh, now use Pythagoras. 30 squared equals this thing here, x squared, plus, now this exists in a bubble here, so you've got to do this, 2x and then brackets squared. Okay, now this stays the same. Let's 3 times 3 is 9. Yeah, I'm going to have 2 zeros. Now this thing here will be it would be like this, 2x times by itself. Okay, so 2 times 2 is 4, and then the x times the x, which will be x squared. Okay, now here you've got one elephant here plus 4 elephants here, so you have 5 elephants. Okay, stays the same. This will be 900 here, and then divide both sides by 5. So 900 divided by 5. Look at this here. This will be 1 remainder 4, and now 40 divided by 5 will be 8. No remainder, so take the 1 up. So it will be, anyway, 900 divided by 5 will be 180. This will be x squared. Now, if you want to know x, then you root both sides. So x equals this. So this length here is root 180. 180. And if you want to know this length here, get root 180 times 2. Okay, so basically punch this into your calculator if you want to know what x is. Remember, x represents this height here. This length here you have to times by 2. Okay, well anyway, this one here, I'm trying to build myself a boat. I know that the sail, the length of this, the length here has to be 10 meters. I've calculated that out for some reason. I need the sail to be 10, hypothetically speaking. I need the length here to be 10 meters. Okay. Um, the height here is going to be whether 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The height of the sail will be 5 times the height of the cabin here. Oh, by the way, this is a cabin here, and the length here will be 3 times the length of the cabin. Okay, so basically work out the length of the cabin for me. Okay, yeah, work out x here. So basically, you know this will be 5x because it's 5 times the length of the cabin, and this will be 3x here. So basically, find out what find out the length of the cabin. So press pause and have a go. So this one here, let's call this x here. So x represents the length of the cabin. So 2, 4, 6. What am I talking about? 5x here, and this one here will be 3x. Okay. So now it's just a matter of doing this. Use Pythagoras. 10 squared equals 5x. 5x exists in the bubble squared plus 3x squared. Okay. 1 times 1 is 1. I need 2 zeros. So 10 squared would be 100. And this thing here will be, remember, it's 5x times 5x. So it will be 25x squared. Okay, and this would be 9x squared. Now this here, you've got 25 elephants plus 9 elephants, so that would be 34 elephants, 34x squared. Okay, this here will be 100 here. So divide both sides by 34. So it would be 100 over 34 equals x squared. Now even number here. So you can divide top and bottom by 2. So it would be 50 over 17 equals x. Okay, but basically this fraction here is the same as this, but we prefer this one because it's neater and smaller. So what you do, you divide top and bottom by 2. So 100 divided by 2 is 50, and 34 divided by 2 is 17. Wait a minute, we haven't done anything. This should be x squared. Okay, because we're not adding anything. We're not taking away anything from the equation. We're just changing how we represent this fraction here. Okay, so the right hand side stays as x squared. Now, if you want to know x, you square root both sides. So it will be this root 50 over 17. So so basically punch this into your calculator. Get 50 divided by 17, and then square root whatever the answer was. Okay. So the length of the cabin, you can leave it as root 50 over 17. Okay.